Hello everyone. So in this video we will see stocks for tomorrow, 1st July, and the first stock is Escorts. This we can buy above 1235 when it will break this swing high. And next is Lal Path Lab. So this also we can buy above this 3300. Then in cash stocks we have Imami Limited, which we can buy above 567, 568. So this is making kind of a box. Then we have Deepak Nitrate, and this is a kind of a narrow range. If you see this, if you want to take risk, you can buy around somewhere around 1840, but you have to check 5-minute chart for that. And safe side will buy above this swing high 1870-75. Then we have Natco Pharma. This we can buy above 1150. Then we have APL Apollo. This we can buy above 1645. Next is SKF India. This has broken this inside candle. You can see this red candle, and inside that it was trading for 5-6 days and it has broken. Now we'll buy above this big and we'll buy above 2730. Next is JK Paper. This we can buy above 218. Then we have Swaraj Engineering. This we can buy above 2000. Next is Astral. This we can buy above 2030. Then we have Jensar Tech 320. Heritage Food. This we can buy above 440, and Safe is above 455. And this we can buy for swing as well. Then we have PNC Infra. Today it has given a good move, so tomorrow it may continue some momentum above today's high, which is 298. So we can buy above 300. So it may continue its momentum. Then in cash stocks we have Sucker Healthcare. This we can buy above high 160. IGPL we can buy above 643. RK Forge we can buy above 675. Cyber Tech we can buy above 158, this trend line. Cabra Extrusion, this we can buy above high 220. And Bent we can buy above 4500, and it breaks high above 4500, and this stock you can buy for swing as well. The spread is not so good because the stock value is too high, so you will see 1-2 stocks on each bit. So but you can buy for this for positional. It may give some good move. And rest for checking MIS stocks, there is one Zerodha list where you can confirm, and the link is in description. You can check there. So like we can check Jensar Tech. Okay, so like that you can check all these intraday stocks if intraday is available or not. I have not cross checked actually few stocks. APL. Okay, so like APL Apollo, this is not in intraday. This you have to buy in cash. So that you can confirm in this Zerodha Excel sheet. The link is in description. You will get there. So that's it for today. Thank you everyone.